This short video is how to use groups for the hands-on projects. To join a group, go to People. There is a Group tab. And what you want to do is add your name to one of the 4 groups. Each group can have up to 5 students. And then once you're in a group, it's like your own website. You have an announcements page. You can see the people. You can set up discussion boards, collaborate on projects such as the hands-on projects. It's really a nice option. So first and foremost, again, join a group. Ways to connect to the group can be done in person, in library, computer lab. You could also connect over Zoom, which might be easier for some of you, but you could set up a day and time to work on a hands-on project over Zoom with your other group members. But be sure to only share your work with the other students who work on it with you. Don't share or give your work to other students. Here's an example of Chapter 1's hands-on activity. With hands-on activity 1-4, it looks at computer users' health concerns. Each of you could share some health, safety, productivity concerns related to your use of technology. Basically, make a short list of your concerns, and then all of you can compare similarities and differences. Ultimately, when you're done with the project, you come together with one document with all of your names on it. So when you are done, it'll become one document. You can have all of your names, and then you will go to Chapter 1's hands-on module. Here we go, hands-on project for Chapter 1. Always download this document. It says it's student choice, only one to do. So the introduction would be if you did the 1-4, identifying computer users' health concerns could be the introduction. And then the results would be all of the health concerns, differences, similarities, etc., and then a short review. And once again, all of your names would go there at the top. Each of you would separately submit the file. You would upload it here. If you have any questions about doing the hands-on projects or activities as a group, please let me know. Remember, doing them as a group is optional. It's not required.